Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 124 skill high grade Neptune unit and weapons. Right, here are the box itself. Now this finally came in the store today, so yep, this is the last planet system armor we're gonna get for the core Gundam, or Gundam 2. And yeah, I mean, it's the final form, so I guess the final form of the core Gundam 2, and if you see, have to see the anime, but we will see how it goes. So yeah, let's go unboxing. So, well, this is a very nice nice little armor to go along with it. So, yep, I'm pretty interested to see how it's gonna turn out. And well, I mean, I got them today, and I went to the store today, picked it up, and come back. So just unboxing, and I've watched the recent episode as well. So yeah. So let's start with the Nepteight unit itself. I'll put the weapons aside. Alright, so basically the Nepteight armor is basically, you know, okay, I think the reason why it's called Nepteight because, well, I mean, not aside from the Neptune 8, I think the reason why it's supposed to look like that is because I'm assuming it's because it's Neptune is the first planet from the sun, and you know, what you do means you can travel very fast and far after a while. So it's pretty interesting. Yep. And let's go on the site. And before I go on, I forgot to mention, when the box art was released online, the box art looks a little more saturated than usual. So I thought some people were confused the fact that the core gun was in the core gun the G3 colors. So but here it's a little more reddish and yellow. But online the box art is much more saturated. So it feels like you're seeing a G3 color scheme on the core gun itself. But never mind that, let's go unboxing. On the side here we have the Neptune unit, and if you have the core Gundam 2 from the Yrevan Gundam, you can combine it with this armor, so you can get the Nepteight Gundam. And you need the weapons as well if you want to complete it, but of course you should buy weapons as well. And here's the side. Doesn't mention the price, but I think this is 900 yen if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 900 yen, yeah. So let's the box. It's inside. Oh, come on. Here we go. And this is what's stuff for open. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. So the nut box. First that we have the I1 plate, which is the gray parts of the feet. You know, just nice little flush details here, it's pretty good. And then the F1 plate, which are the joints for the armor. Next back we have the D plate, which is the planet system armor. With the planet system, the core component is called planet system armor. You get the manipulators, you got the leg joints, you got the base for holding the third hand, and you get the hands. Yep. And the last that we have the H1 plate, which is the white parts of the Nepteight armor. And the stickers, boy, I don't like this. Okay, now here's a little bit of thing I'm not really happy about this kit. You notice the stickers, okay, I know they're gold, which is okay with me, but if you remember on the Stargazer, you might remember that those gold parts are actually very holographic. So I don't understand why they didn't do it in here instead. I mean, we thought, it's only for Stargazer, but come think about it, if you have the high grade Lunar Gazer, they get the same onto the Lunar Gazer as well. I mean, I don't understand why they give us like metallic foil stickers for the inverted mirror effects rather than giving holographic ones. It's really disappointing. But anyway, I don't care about this. I'm gonna paint anyways, so no issue with me for that. And the last runner B plate, which is the very nice mint green. I mean, you don't usually see guns in this color scheme. The colors are off on camera, but in person, this is much more my green. As you see, there's more like a lighter blue, something like that. Right. Now let's get on to the manual. Yep. So yeah, this is the final form of the core Gundam, I assume. Yep. So you can pause read if you want. Then good. Okay. So yep, it's just the armor. So no, it's quite a quick build really. So nothing to say here, and on the back here is some more details with the Nepteight Gundam, and yeah, the only weapons you get aside from beam sabers on the Nepteight Gundam is the beam guns which is the shields on the arms. Basically, the function is beam gun. So yeah, I mean, it does need some good stuff even in case it gets shot or anything like that. So it's pretty neat. Alright, that's an unboxing of the high-grade Nepteight unit. Now let's go on to the Neptune Weapons. Come on. Oh, no, that's not. There we go. Okay, here's Neptune Weapons. So this is yeah, just the Stargazer stuff on the for the core gun too, basically. Yep. All right, let's go on unboxing. So yep, it's a custom weapon. You've got beam guns, so it's pretty neat. Yeah, it's pretty neat that you get beam guns in this thing, which is pretty nice. But I mean, the reason why I buy the Nepteight is because you're in the Stargazer like pose thing going on. So this is the price again. I think this is crap, I can't remember. I think 600 yen around there if I'm not mistaken. So get my knife open quick. Okay. Okay. Alright. So let's open up the weapon box. Yeah, the sticker sheet, I mean, this is fine. I mean, I can paint that. But again, I don't like it when they give these kind of gold sticker. I really wish they're holographic. Oh boy, what you gonna do? Yeah, we got the H2 and H3 pillar white parts for the Neptune Weapons. And the last pack, which is the I3 and I2 runner, which is only gray parts for the Neptune Weapons. Yeah, pretty neat. Alright, so this is the manual. I mean, nothing special, but you know the drill, really. I mean, it's very simple. But you want to combine this with the core gun too, just to make the Neptune Gundam. So not gonna explain much here. Okay, that is it for the unboxing of the Neptune Weapons, and that is it for the unboxings overall. So thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.